Hello, folks. This is Naeem Muslim. I'm back with something really special, which is happening in the market, or which, and let's just say, it never ever happened in the U.S. history, because rights are really going on. People are really scrambling around Capitol Hill, and something that we have never ever seen. Well, at least we were in our lifetime for sure, because U.S. Capitol is in lockdown. The Vice President Michael Pence evacuated as Trump backers surge. So there is a lot of violence is really taking place at the Capitol Hill in Washington, D.C. And despite all of this, what I'm really seeing at 9:20 p.m. in London is that the markets have closed on a very positive narrative. And the reason for that is because the Senate is very much going to be controlled by Democrats now, because now the results are official. Now, because of this particular factor, because that there was no backing for Donald Trump in the Senate and in the Congress, especially Vice President Pence didn't stand when Donald Trump said that go and contest against the results. So that's why there is just so much people storming towards the U.S. Capitol at the Capitol Hill, and then really a lot of drama is going on, because according to some reports by New York Times, there was some even explosive devices were an explosive device was there. So among all of this, what really happened was, I wish I could show you the chart, but through YouTube Live, maybe they should do something about this, because I can't. But what we've seen is the Bitcoin price is literally surging to the upside, and they've crossed only the 35,000 level just like that. But now, in fact, the prices went pretty much at 36,500. So the door is really wide open for prices to continue to move to the upside and really achieve that price level of 40,000 the market participants has been waiting for. Now, in terms of a gold prices, what I'm really seeing is a little bit of a reversal, because obviously rally was really taking place in the market, because Dow Jones index has closed with 1.41 percentage gain, while the Nasdaq closed literally at 1.5% loss. S&P was pretty much 0.5% up. But really the rally has been coming up for the Dow Jones because of one particular factor, that there is going to be more stimulus. But earlier today, I tweeted on my Twitter account this chart which shows you the bankruptcy rates over in the United States for companies. And that chart really shows that the number of bankruptcies which are really taking place in the United States, they are at the highest level since 2009. So that means that companies have been able to go through this pandemic time period by inflating their balance sheets with extra debt. Now, given the fact that if the lockdown is still very much, restrictive measures are still very much in place, and there is a stronger possibility of another lockdown taking place in the United States, this higher debt is really going to act like a poison. It is going to destroy those companies, and we're going to see more higher number of bankruptcies going forward. And remember, Joe Biden has already talked about this one, that we have plenty of work to do, and that means more good news for the Bitcoin price, because Bitcoin price can really continue to the upside. But of course, equity prices can really see some healthy correction under those circumstances. But what would be quite good to look at is that if these bankruptcies they do happen, because there's no doubt that there's a major disparity between the original economy in the United States and what is exactly with the number. If things start to merge with each other, either the economy starts to lift itself or the market comes down and then combines with the reality, then there is a very strong possibility for the index to easily see a correction up to 30%. So let's keep an eye on that. And of course, we will talk about this tomorrow morning on our usual time when we do these live streams, which is 9:20 a.m. UK time. That's all for now. Enjoy, and hopefully by tomorrow we will see another record high for Bitcoin.